Getting ready to make the long haul about 700 miles back to North Carolina to my parents in this 2002 F-150, and then it'll be another 120 miles back to Greenville, South Carolina. So I'm just getting the truck ready for the trip, checking my fluids. Oil was about a half a quart low. Made sure to top off my windshield washer with antifreeze type of windshield washer. So everything looks good underneath here. She's ready to roll down the hill, and I'm looking forward to the drive. And you can see that I've got some moisture buildup inside the oil crankcase. You can see some of that moisture here. This is nothing to be alarmed about because I've got no water in the oil pan, just the buildup on this. This is something that you don't necessarily need to be worried about. What is interesting is after 1,000 miles how much water I've collected in the oil catch can, which means that the moisture in the air is being sucked in through the engine and coming out the PCV and condensing into the oil catch can. So you want to make sure you keep a check on this. This is 1,000 miles, which a little sooner than I would think with this much fluid in it. You don't want this vapor locking your cylinder if it gets a chug of this gets sucked into your intake manifold.